Today on It's All Gravy, we're making these delicious black chana samosas. These insanely addictive vegetarian snacks will keep you coming back for more. Here's a screenshot of our recipe. Start with your black chickpeas. They need to be soaked overnight. Add half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Pressure cook for 1 hour for best results, or alternatively on the stove for 2 hours. Now moving on to the dough. 2 tablespoons of clarified butter. You will want to rub the fat in until it disappears. Once you've made them, eaten them all, you can try rubbing your arse to see if the fat disappears off that. Add a tablespoon of salt and nigella seeds. No nigella innuendos here. The secret now is to add just enough water to bring it together. You want to knead the dough for at least 5 minutes until it develops a smooth texture. Wrap in cling film and rest for at least 30 minutes. Take a large potato and cover it with cold water. Don't try and rush this by dropping your potato into boiling water, as the outside of the potato will only overcook. Dice red onions as fast as me. Then dice ginger even faster. Crush the garlic clove. This is the best way to remove the skin. Chop garlic. Dice the chilli. Seeds and all. Cut your cauliflower as evenly as possible. This is where you should excel. Dice the tomato, Indian style. It's time to start cooking the filling. Add 2 tablespoons of clarified butter, a tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, a tablespoon of garam masala. Cook your spices until your whole house tastes like India. Warm through the whole spices to help release the flavour. Next into the pan, your chopped ginger, garlic and chilli. Saute these for a couple of minutes. Then in with the onions until they're soft. Next up, cauliflower. Then tomatoes. Once your potato is cooked, remove from the water. This will be the temperature of the sun, so unless your fingers are flame retardant, don't attempt this at home. Just wait for it to cool slightly. Remove the skin and dice into large chunks. Your chickpeas should be cooked. Drain them, and using a potato masher, break them up slightly. It's now time to bring your filling together. Add your vegetables to your chickpeas, then the diced potato, defrosted peas, coriander, salt.
Oh yes, this looks delicious. Did you make me some, please?
And lemon juice. Mix it all through and check for seasoning. Divide your dough into 8 even portions. Roll into neat little balls. Now this part takes some practice. Roll out until 2 mil thick, keeping as round as possible by rolling in all directions. If you destroy one at this stage, you can always re-roll it. Cut them in half. Rub water down one edge and pinch at the bottom to make a cone and seal up the edge. This will take some practice, but persevere as it will be worth it. Fill them with the mix, about 80% full. And then fold over the final edge like this. Once you've filled all your samosas, they'll be ready for frying. Small tears and holes in your samosa will not cause them to fall apart when frying, but oil will make its way inside the samosa and make them more greasy. Cook for 5 minutes until golden. Now for the mint yoghurt. Dice half a bunch of mint. Juice half a lemon. 2 tablespoons of Greek yoghurt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, cracked black pepper, and a pinch of salt. And there you have it, our delicious black chana samosas. We bought some lime pickle to serve with ours. You'll have to stop yourself eating them all, so addictive. Mint yoghurt and lime pickle. If you enjoyed the video, board the gravy train and hit that subscribe button.